Hey, how you doing? It's Gianta here, and today is August 10th, 2018, and today is actually 11:53 p.m. As you can see, I just got done posting yesterday's video in my private Facebook group, and I apologize if I look a little bit rugged right now in my beater or whatever. It's it's late at night, and I just been grinding this stuff out, so I apologize, but I wanted to share my results before it hit 12 a.m. So as you can see, I just posted my my video from yesterday, so this is video 5. And it's amazing because I've been very consistent with my with the posting, and it's really amazing because I've never really been this consistent with my YouTube and Facebook together like I am now. And I guarantee, if you do this, if you give yourself a challenge for a certain number of days. Now, this Facebook page engagement challenge is going to go on for 90 days. It's a 90-day challenge, and it's probably going to be something that I have people do in the future, because I'm thinking it's very very and very beneficial for people as far as building up their social media very fast and quickly and effective. So I just wanted to go over these results right now. So here's the last post that I made. It was 3 hours ago. I told people that I'm gonna do a cleanup tomorrow, and for the people that wanted to stay, to comment stay. Now I got 53 comments so far, and they're still coming in. 41, 42, 43 people have liked, loved, and left on this post. So it's pretty good, and it's building. It's becoming more consistent as I post every single day. And here was another post that I made earlier today, and that has 26, 27, 28 likes, loves, and surprises, and it actually has 38 comments. Now, the purpose of what I'm trying to do right now is get as many people engaged as possible, because I'm going to actually be doing a cleanup on my page, and the people who aren't engaged are the people that are actually going to be that are actually going to be removed, because I'm not sure if you know this or not, but it does not really matter how many friends you have. The way that Facebook has their algorithm set up, is they want to know that you're engaging with people. They want to know that people are engaging with you, and if people aren't engaging with you, if you have 5,000 friends and only 500 of them engage, it's going to actually make your post less relevant to Facebook, so they're not going to show it to as many people. Now, if you have less friends and everybody is engaging, they're going to show it to almost every single friend, and that's just the way that the Facebook that's the way that the algorithm is designed. They want to know that you're commenting, they want to know that you're on people's posts, and they want to know that you're very active. It's kind of like on YouTube, how you get your YouTube video at the top of the search engines is they want to know that people are actually going to your video. They want to know that people are watching it and paying it attention. Now, I've been using Facebook, or not Facebook, but I've been using Facebook and YouTube in combination to track these results on Facebook. So I've been building my YouTube channel while I've been building my Facebook, which this is a very, very, very amazing challenge that I've came up with, and it was really never meant to be anything except for me challenging myself to do better and really stay focused on what I have to do and accomplish something. Because a lot of times when people come online, it's hard for them to stay focused on a traffic method or focused on building a platform on social media. I think YouTube and Facebook are a very, very good combination to use together to actually build. I think they're two of the strongest social media platforms that you could actually be on. So I just wanted to pretty much put that out there. And this was a post from yesterday, and this post has 53, 54, 55 likes and loves and only 9 comments. And the post that I showed you a couple of days ago with people, they're still getting comments on it. So it actually went up since I recorded the videos a couple days ago. So if you're a business opportunity seeker and you're looking for ways to make money online, you need to pretty much focus on the strategy that you're going to use in your business, whatever business that you have. If you're doing online marketing, if you're doing any type of affiliate marketing or network marketing, or you might even be doing e-commerce or whatever it is, whatever you want to do, you can pretty much do. But the key in any type of marketing is you want to be able to have a following. You want to be able to have a brand. And as you can see, I just got somebody else that commented on the post. So they're still going up. People are engaged, and I'm very, very excited at what I'm seeing right now. I can't wait to actually hone in on my Facebook page and get this really, really to where I want it to be, because I want to have thousands of comments, likes, and shares on my posts. And this is just generically. This isn't even with the Facebook fan page. I haven't even got into that. And then as soon as I start building this up generically, I'm going to move to the fan page, and then I'm going to put some automation in place. So Facebook is one of the platforms that I really put my focus into, and that I'm really going to focus on, because everybody's on Facebook. It's a very, very, very powerful platform, and YouTube is a platform that you need if you're a marketer. You need to have a YouTube channel. If you're looking for a business opportunity online and you're not sure what to do, you're not sure how to get this engagement, and you want to learn exactly how I've been getting these results, make sure you click on the link below, and that's going to take you to a page. It's going to ask you for your email so I can keep in touch with you, so I can follow up with you. And so if you need any help or assistance, I'll be around, and we'll be able to actually, talk to each other and communicate. And I encourage you, if you're watching this video, go and add me on Facebook, please. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, so that way you can see whenever I post a video up, you can see exactly what I'm doing, how I'm building up my social media. And if you want to learn more about these exact strategies, like I said before, make sure you click on that link below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. As soon as you click on the link below, it's going to take you to a page, and you're going to find out exactly what I'm doing to build up these comments, to build up this engagement. And I can't wait for this. This is only video 5. This is a 90-day challenge. I'm doing it for 3 months to see how far I could get in 3 months. So I appreciate everybody who's watching, and talk to you later.